In this video, I will show you how to add another Google account on your Android device securely without any stress. Let me show you how. Very first thing I'm going to do is to exit from here and start all over. So for that, you want to make sure you look for your Android phone settings. Open up your Android phone settings. The next thing you want to do is to click on Google. And the next thing you want to do is to proceed with Google account. Then go ahead and click on add another account. Verify your Google account identity, either with PIN or your fingerprint. Hit on continue. So at this point here, you will be told to enter the Google account email address. For that, click on here and enter the new Google account email address right here. So I'm going to enter the Google account email address. Then go ahead and click on next. Go ahead and enter the new account password. And then the account has been successfully added into the profile. So if you click on my profile right here, then you see the primary account, and this is the second one that I just added. You can be switching from one account to another. If you want to switch to another account, click on here and it takes you to the new another account right here. If you want to switch to the one you just added, click on your profile icon right here and then click on it right here, and it will switch to the one you just added, just like so. It's that simple. So this is how to add another Google account onto your Android device securely without any stress. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.